everybody, and welcome back to Akshata's recipes. Well, keeping with the Christmas theme, today I'll be showing you naan katais, which are also called Christmas cookies. Now every household has their own take or their own recipe of naan katais. I'm going to be using my recipe, which is of course my mom's recipe from her lovely Christmas cookbook. And I'm going to be using just 3 ingredients. Also, this recipe is completely veg and it is really delicious. So I hope you like this recipe, and if you do, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also guys, I have uploaded a load of Christmas recipes. So all you need to do is go to Akshata's recipes, and once you come to my home page, there's something called playlist. Go to my playlist and then you can just search Christmas, or on my homepage there's a small little search button. Just type Christmas and you get all the Christmas recipes. Most of them are traditional Goan recipes like guava cheese and milk cream and marzipan and neuris, kulkuls, and of course some more keeping in today's theme with walnut and chocolate fudge. Then there's the Ferrero Rocher chocolates. And I'm going to be coming up with much more too. So stay tuned to Akshata's recipes for a load of recipes. And if you want to stick around, then don't forget to hit the red subscribe button that you see just below this video. And once you have subscribed, do not forget to click the little golden bell, so every time I put up a new video on my channel, you'll get a notification of the same. So guys, let's head on to my kitchen and start making these naan katais or Christmas cookies. So friends, now we're going to take about 250 grams of all-purpose flour or maida. So here I'm measuring it to exactly 250 grams. Now we're going to need 125 grams of icing sugar or caster sugar. Then we're going to use 100 grams of ghee or clarified butter. Now I've lined my baking tray with some butter paper or some parchment paper. In a large mixing bowl, I'm going to first take my ghee or clarified butter and I'm going to whisk it for about 5 minutes. You can use an electric whisk too. Now after whisking it for about 5 minutes, I am going to now add all the icing sugar, and I'm going to whisk this for about 10 minutes till everything becomes very light and fluffy. This is very important because these make the Christmas cookies or the naan katais really light and fluffy and airy. So you can set a timer for about 10 to 15 minutes and whisk this very well. You will see that it changes its color to a little pale white. Now, after our ghee and sugar is mixed very well, we're going to slowly add in the maida or the all-purpose flour, a very little bit at a time. Again, mixing it as we go along. So as you add the maida, just mix it And once we put in all of our all-purpose flour, we're going to use our hands and we're going to knead this till it becomes a very nice soft dough. Now if you feel that your mixture is a little on the drier side, you can just add a little bit more of ghee till you get a nice soft mixture. Now we can let our mixture sit and rest for some time, for about 10 minutes. In the meantime, you can preheat your oven at 150 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Now we are going to take a teaspoon, because then we get an exact measure, and we're going to take this amount and roll it out into a smooth ball. And then we're going to flatten it a bit and give it a nice shape so it looks like a nice naan katai or a Christmas cookie. And we're going to place it on our baking tray. So in this way, we're going to roll out all of the dough and make the naan katais or the cookies. And here I'm just decorating it with some nice mistletoe. You can put whatever Christmas decoration you want. You can even put little cherries. You can put the little Christmas silver balls. And now we're going to bake it in our preheated oven at 150 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 12 minutes. So once they go into the oven, here comes the beautiful Christmas cookies or the naan katais. Don't they look gorgeous? And they taste delicious too. They're really soft and powdery and very, very light. So friends, I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe. I hope you give it a try. Do let me know in the comments box below as to how you liked this recipe. Do share my recipes with family and friends. And if you haven't yet hit the red subscribe button, then please do and join the Akshata's Recipes family. Once you have subscribed, do not forget to click the little golden bell that you will see below the video, so that every time I upload a new video, you will get a notification of the same. Do like my recipes and please don't forget to visit my channel. I have more than 200 recipes and I have so many Christmas recipes uploaded, and I will be coming up with many more too. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe and I hope you stay tuned to Akshata's Recipes. Keep watching and I'll see you all in another video. And thank you so much for stopping by Akshata's Recipes and watching. Take care guys, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.